Hey there again. Still talking about Zoom. Wanted to let you see how you would connect your students to a Zoom meeting. Google Calendar is really great for this, and since all of the students have Google sign-ins, what we're going to do is I've created this meeting. It's going to happen at this time. I'm just going to click on Add to Google Calendar, and it's going to pop up there for me in Google Calendar. I've already got it here. It's got me in the edit mode for a Google Calendar meeting. It's got the link already there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the guest to my room. So I'm going to put in Mr. Flynn here, and I'm giving him that option to invite others or see the guest list. But I would put all of my students in here, and I do this all the time. This is just adding them to this event, and it went ahead and will invite Mr. Flynn. So once I click save, I'm going to click save, and I'm going to click send. And for me, he's outside of my domain, so I'm going to go ahead and invite him as an external guest. So now Mr. Flynn is in there. You can see the meeting is right there, and I'll click on it, and you'll be able to see it's right there, and I can just click on Join Zoom Meeting from that platform. It's also over here as well. So that's how you do it. Pretty easy.